Hey, it's Jared Snyder, and I had bad cholesterol here a while ago. It was 274 or something. So my doctor's giving me time to uh, get it under check. And what I decided to do is I decided to start running and doing races each month. Last month I did a 5 mile firecracker run, um, and that went really well. It was 25 out of 182, 738 per mile. Didn't place in my age division, but it was all right. But after that, it kind of uh, kicked my butt, and I said, man, I can do better than this. So I've been training. The last couple of weeks I put 40, 45 miles and 50 miles in each week. So I have a 5K coming up in August, and my best time for 5K is 22:44, and I am going to really try hard to go below 20, 21, somewhere's in there. But I'm gonna race my butt off and see what I can do, because of that race in Schoolcraft, that 5 miler. I was like, man, if I can do like a 6:45 mile was the first mile, 7:38 for the rest of the miles. It was just, and I ran it I think in 38:15. So, but I'm 40 years old and I'm pushing my body to the limits. So yesterday I did 10 miles, which was Monday. Usually my weeks start on Sunday, but I did 10 miles yesterday. Kind of tempo because Sundays are actually my fast days, so I didn't get to do the fast day at all. Um, did the tempo, got the 10 miles done, 10:30, 10:50 per miles. So didn't push myself too hard, but I pushed myself enough. Um, and today is easy day. Um, so I'm gonna take this bike out right here, and we're gonna put some miles in on it. So, but anyways, I just wanted to give you a little update of what I've been doing. August 6th is my next race, so I will have shorts up on it. Um, if you are somebody like in your 40s or dad or whatever, and you want to get yourself in shape, man, you gotta put in the work and take care of yourself, and you do have to make those changes. Nobody's gonna do it for you. You got to make the changes. And I am actually went from almost 200 pounds. I'm down to 174 on the scale today, this morning. So I'm getting there, and I am pushing every day to get even better. So, anyways, I need to get on this bike and get going. So we'll chat with you later. Bye.